Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to see the packet tracer activity using show commands. Here we can see our objectives of this packet tracer activity. In part 1, analyze show command output. In part 2, reflection questions. Coming to the background, this activity is designed to reinforce the use of the router show commands. You are not required to configure, but rather examine the output of several show commands. Coming to part 1, analyze show command output. Step 1, connect to ISP router. Click ISP PC, then the desktop tab followed by terminal. Enter privileged exec mode. Use the following show commands to answer the reflection questions in part 2. So here we can see some number of questions. Before that, we have to check all these show commands: show ARP, show flash, show IP route, show interfaces, show IP interface brief, show protocols, show users, and show version. First of all, we will check the command to show ARP. Coming to ISP PC, terminal. Here the port configuration we will leave as the default. Okay. Enable, here we are going to give the command show ARP, which shows address resolution protocols. Here we can see that the address, it's MAC address, and we can see the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0 of this router. Now we will check the command show flash. Here we can see the output system flash directory. Here we can see the files and each file's length. Here we can see also the name of the file. Here we can see that with extension .bin.xml.xml, and here we can see the flash total memory used, and here we can see the remaining memory available, and here we can see the total flash memory. And here we can see the memory bytes of processor, board, system, flash, read, write. Now we will see the show command show IP route, and here we can see the number of routes learned by this router. Here we can see only connected routes now with this character C. Here we can see this show commands, that is this IP show IP route provide information about paths available for network traffic. Now we will see the command show interfaces, and here we can see the output. Here we can see each interface status. Here we can see gigabit Ethernet 0/0 it's up, line protocol is up, and here we can see the hardware address, data details. Here we can see the next interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Here we can see the next interface. (0/0/1). Yes, so this show command shows the status of router interfaces available in this device. Now we will see the command show IP interface brief, and here we can see the details, the interface details in brief, interface name, its IP address, it's okay or not, the method, status, and protocol. Now we will come to the command show protocols, and here we can see the details. We can see the interface and that interface address, then prefix length. Also we can see the status of each interfaces. If we configure any protocols like RIP or EIGRP or SPF, we can see the details of that protocols. Even we can see the IP address, submit to mask. Also we can see the versions, etc. Now we will come to the command show users, and here we can see the details. Here we can see the line console 0, then a user, host, idle, location, etc. So this show users command provides information about the lines being used for configuration or device monitoring. Coming to the last show command, show version, and here we can see the details. Here we can see the iOS name and its version, and we can see the other details. So here we can see the flash memory size. Coming to part 2, some of the reflection questions. Which commands would provide the IP address, network prefix, and interface? By using the show commands, show IP route or show protocol. So we can see the IP address, network prefix, and interface. Coming to the second question, which commands provide the IP address and interface assignment but not the network prefix? Obviously, we can use the show command to show IP interface brief. Coming to the third question, which commands provide the status of the interfaces? Yes, we can use show interfaces or show IP interface brief. Coming to the fourth question, which commands provide information about the iOS loaded on the router? Obviously, we have the show command show version. Coming to fifth one, which commands provide information about the addresses of the router interface? Obviously, we can use show ARP, also show interfaces. It shows the addresses, IP address, also MAC address. Coming to the sixth question, which commands provide information about the amount of and flash memory available? Yes, we have seen we can use this show version command as well as show flash command. Coming to seventh one, which commands provide information about the lines being used for configuration or device monitoring? As we have seen that show users. Coming to the eighth question, which commands provide traffic statistics of router interfaces? We can use the command show interfaces. Which commands provide information about the paths available for network traffic? Obviously, show IP routes. Which interfaces are currently active on the router? We have seen two interfaces. So one is gigabit Ethernet 0/0 and serial 0/0/1. Here we can see that with the show command show IP interface brief, gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Here we can see status and protocol are up, and coming to the next interface, serial 0/0/1, status and protocol are up. Yes, that's all in this packet tracer activity using show commands. Here we have seen some of the show commands and its use. So friends, if you have any doubt, please comment below. Also, if you like my video, give a thumb and don't forget to subscribe the channel for future videos. Thank you.